Hey Troubleholics, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Joanna and hopefully you subscribe to my channel and become part of the Troubled family. Today's video is going to be a video on obviously the Hide foundations. I know a lot of you are curious to see if it works just like I was, and I know that there hasn't been a lot of people trying this foundation and concealer, so I figured let me try it out and see if I like it. Of course, I forgot to put my nose ring back on and I took it off and have no idea where it's at. So let me find that and put it back in my nose. All right, I'm gonna go find that and put that back in my nose. But yeah, let's get into the video. All right, so I got suckered in by the ads online. I keep seeing this on Instagram and on Pinterest. And I had to just purchase it and do a video for you guys on whether or not I like this. So this is supposed to be a full coverage foundation. This is by the brand Hide, and it says invisible and oil free, and supposedly you can cover up tattoos with this. So I think that's why I was like sold. I had to get it and I just wanted to try it on with you guys and see if I like it. So the shades I got is light beige in both, just because I wasn't sure about my shade, and sometimes these foundations oxidize and they turn a little darker on my skin, or they'll be a little too light. So I went with light beige. Hopefully it's not too yellowy for my skin and it works out. So let's try it out and see how we feel about it. Okay, so I opened the package and this is on the foundation, and then when you open it, this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty cute. It's clean and just very like professional. So I'm just gonna put I'm gonna say like, okay, a few pumps here before it comes out. Two pumps of the foundation to see how it works. I'm using my sponge. I'm a little out of the middle here, so I gotta fix myself. So I'm just going to start dipping and applying. I did already prime my face and stuff, so my mirror is over here on the side, so I'm sorry if I'm looking over there, but that's where my mirror is, because I was gonna have it up in front of me, but I have my my monitor is over there. So what do I think right now with everything? It's looking good so far in the mirror. I can't complain about it. I have some dark circles and I have this right here. So let's see if it covers all that up. I really like this sponge. Hi, Lucas. So far it's working. It's looking pretty good. It doesn't look too yellow, right? To me, it doesn't. I don't know about you guys right now, but it doesn't look too yellow. It's covering up a lot, especially my chin. I have a lot of issues with foundations here because I have like a lot of like veins and redness here. So it's really covering it up. Lucas, don't touch. Okay. So it's really covering it up. All right, so far, it's looking really good. It's working very good with my skin. Let me get my mirror out here. Yeah, a lot of times foundation gets into the fine lines and it just doesn't look good. It looks gross. It's looking pretty good. I'm loving it. So now that foundation is all in there, and it's just gonna drag some down on my neck and my ears. Whatever is left off on my the back of my hand. I'm liking it. I'm liking it so much. Okay, let's move on to concealer and see how the concealer works, and then yeah, then I'll let you guys know my thoughts once the face is done. So this is the concealer, you guys. The concealer is actually in a black packaging, which I love. So you can tell the difference between the two, obviously. The packaging is very cute, very nice. I like it. It's very simple. I actually love this packaging. So now for the concealer, it's a twist off. It's not a pull up type of packaging, and it does have a doe foot applicator, which I'm not mad at. Let's go ahead and apply the concealer. I'm just gonna apply a little bit right here in the inner part of my eye. Ooh. And then we're gonna dip in again and we're gonna do just the outside here, the outer corner. And I didn't go too light with my concealer just because I was a little concerned about what it would look like if it was gonna be too light. So when I don't know, I stick with the same color. Can't even talk. I usually stick with the same color as like my foundation, or either a little bit lighter, just because I don't want to like be too like whoa, and then it like makes me look too light and just makes me look so pale, or the pictures like I don't like that. So it's blending pretty nicely, pretty evenly. I do have a lot of redness in the bottom of my chin here. For some reason, it doesn't matter what foundation I use. For some reason, that's my tough spot when it comes to foundations, to grasp. So sometimes I have to just go on there like a few times with foundation or concealer. I like this sponge, you guys. I love it. It's a flat end at the end here. Let me like not squeeze it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it just like blends everything so good. Like my concealers, my foundation. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I get it like here because I get really red around here on the edges of my nose. And then under the eye, let's see how this blends out. And it's blending out really good so far. Let's see. I'm trying not to block the camera so that you guys can see. And let's see. Oh yeah, you guys, it's working really good and I actually really like it. And it's covered like the darkness, because under my eyes I get like a purpley dark color. So this covers it really nicely, really nicely. The application has been really good. It looks really good on my skin. I'm loving it. This is just me wearing the concealer and the foundation, and it's beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so I just want to read to you guys what's on the box, because I was just like I was informing you guys completely wrong about it. Benefits of it is that it's oil-free and undetectable. Skin types to use this foundation is pretty much any skin type. So normal, dry, oily, or combination skin can use this foundation. The coverage is medium to full coverage. The finish is a natural finish, which for sure, like, look at my skin. It looks so good. It looks so good. And then it says it's, you know, cruelty free and what it's formulated with. Same thing with the concealer. The concealer says the benefits: it's hydrating, weightless, buildable, and oil free. Skin types: normal, dry, oily, or combination skin can use it. It's full coverage and it tells you what it's formulated with.
Bye, Batman.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the face and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the finished, like, full face, done with the foundation and everything. So far, I'm liking it. I'm gonna test run it. I'm gonna wear it throughout the day and see how it ends up, if it starts to like deteriorate or if it stays put. I am gonna set it with this Milani Make It Last setting spray, which I'm gonna do with you guys here on camera. And I am gonna see if it definitely stays put. I'm gonna go and visit a cousin of mine. It's his birthday today. They're doing a surprise birthday party. So I'm gonna go and just mingle a little bit. I'm gonna obviously do something with this hair and throw some earrings and jewelry and change my clothes. And yeah, and I will be checking in with you guys again in a couple of hours and I'll let you guys know how it's been. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I am loving this foundation so far, but you guys will see if I continue to love it or if I start to hate it later on when I come back on to update you guys. I am excited to see what the results are because so far I am loving it and it makes my skin look so good. I did go in a second application around areas that I just didn't get enough with the 2 pumps, but I didn't go over the full face with another application for that full coverage. So if you want full coverage, then I would say go ahead and do it, but I didn't want full coverage, but it gives me a nice natural fresh look, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so I am back from the family gathering that I was at, and I just wanted to check in with you guys and let you guys know how I feel about the foundation. Let me just say, I don't know, what time is it? It's 10:17, and I want to say I started this makeup around let's just say it's been 5 hours since it's been applied and everything, and since I left, and it's still pretty good. I had to like smack my forehead a few times. I had a mosquito on my forehead and had smacked my head there. My eyebrows are probably like, that's the only thing that didn't really hold up too well, just the eyebrows. But like right here from the brow soap, but that's not even the foundation. The brow soap, it kind of like made the foundation look weird here. But my face feels good. Doesn't feel gross or anything. It doesn't feel like sticky. This does right here, but that's because of the soap that I used there. But that's my bad. Same thing as down here. Yeah, I didn't wipe it under here after, just to get rid of that soapy like tackiness. So yeah, that's my bad. Other than that, everything else still looks pretty good. My highlight is still on, as you can see. Okay, so here in my chin, it definitely started to separate a little bit here. But my forehead, yeah, so like my chin for sure, and right here a little bit. I'm sorry if you guys hear Midnight, but I just got back and she knows. And right here under my nose, all this right here kind of started to separate a little bit here. Okay, and a little bit right here, just a little bit. It's not bad, it's not like really bad, but it did separate my chin for sure. Okay, it's not that it's separated, it's missing foundation here, probably from me rubbing and just talking and bull crapping, rubbing and just talking, and then you know, touching my face. I was touching my face a lot because I was outdoors, you know, there's bugs everywhere and stuff, so I kept smacking my face. But besides that, it held up really well. Like, it's not bad where I'm like looking and I'm just like, you know, like when you're at the club and the lights go on and you're just like, damn. No, it doesn't look bad. It looks pretty good. I can't complain about the foundation. It looks really good still. I'm looking at my little viewfinder here, or my little screen, and it doesn't look bad at all. So I can't complain. I actually like this foundation. It reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Fit Me, oh my god, Dewy foundation, or even the L'Oreal one. But I want to say more leaning towards the Maybelline. Ooh, I got a booger. Okay, I got that out. Nobody told me I had a booger at the party. That's terrible. It's still there. Oh, I think it's part of the nose ring. All right, what would I give this foundation? I would say I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Because it's not bad. It's not bad at all, you guys. It's not like where it's like looks cakey or it looks gross, where it's falling apart. I'm missing a little bit of foundation here, which there's like high-end foundations that do that, and I still wear them. But I would probably just put a little bit more on here and set it really well before going anywhere. And like, this is a like dewy foundation, so sometimes I feel like it happens with those type of foundations. I can't say anything bad about it besides that. Would I recommend you to go get it? If you want to try it, you can go ahead and get it. But is it, like it says, hide? I didn't try it on a tattoo, like on my arm, like here. Maybe I can try it on here for you guys, since it talks about covering tattoos. So let's try that out. I'm gonna put it right on my wrist really quick before I go, and I'm gonna apply it here over my tattoo, because I want to see if it's full coverage for you guys, because I didn't do the full coverage thing for my face. So we're gonna do it on the tattoo. So this right here, one layer on my tattoo, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead with another coat of the foundation, another pump. Let's see if it covers the tattoo. I mean, it is buildable coverage is what it says. So that's the tattoo with 2 layers. I'm wondering if like I was to do the concealer first and then the foundation, if it would be like full coverage. But since I didn't do that, I'm gonna do one more I'm gonna do one more layer over the tattoo so you guys can see it. This is a third layer over the tattoo. I feel like if you have to put this many layers, it's not worth it. That's 3 layers over the tattoo, you guys. Pretty good coverage, I would say. But who's really gonna put 3 layers of like foundation over their face? You know what I mean? Like 2 layers is fine, but a third layer, I feel like that's too much. All right, so this side I just did just the foundation. I think on this one, I think I'm gonna just cover this right here, so that way you guys can see some coverage. So let's go ahead and put some of this concealer on. We're gonna do concealer first, and then I'm just gonna get rid of the word me here. It says bite me. Let's blend that in. Okay, you guys, that's layer 1. Wow, I feel like this has more coverage than the foundation. Oh, okay, so the concealer is full coverage, and then this is medium to full coverage. Okay, so medium to full coverage, and then this is full coverage. So concealer, that's 1 layer. Let's go in with the second layer and see what's up. Oh wow, yeah, this covers pretty good. It doesn't cover it completely where it's gone, where like it says on the bottle hide, but that's 2 layers of the concealer. Okay, 2 layers of the concealer. Now let's put the foundation over it and see if it's gone completely. Right? I'm over here experimenting for you guys because they talk about covering tattoos, so I need to see how this covers it. Wow, it covered pretty good, you guys. Look at that. See that where me was, the word me? It's like you can't really tell what it says, and you can't tell like exactly what it is. Does it cover it completely? I would say probably. I just did so 2 layers of concealer and 1 layer of foundation. I'm sure if I do 1 more layer of foundation, it'll probably cover it completely. I'm gonna do 1 more layer. I have to, just to see. And that is 2 layers of concealer and 2 layers of foundation. And it didn't cover it where it's completely gone, but it definitely is full coverage. It's like barely there, and you guys can see for yourself. I had the word me down there, and I think, and part of the lip is gone. See that? It's so hard because this tattoo is like an awkward, I don't know how to get it on camera for you guys. Part of the lip and then the word me is gone. So I just want to show you guys like up close. This is like a better angle for you guys. And as you can see, the word me and part of the lip was here, and it's like barely there. You can see it, but very faintly. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video with friends and family, hit that bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload a new video, and give me that like. Bye.